So, after 4 years of water use, pools, showers, everything, my Apple Watch was totally fine. I've even been to the spa a couple of times before. No issues, but this time, one spa trip, and my watch said, I quit. It started draining fast, restarting a bunch of times, then looked okay. And then suddenly dead. Not low battery dead, like dead. So naturally, I did what any calm and normal person would do. I opened it. And when I say open it, I mean it was way harder than I expected. That thing was sealed like a vault. I couldn't slide anything between the screen and the body. Nothing would go in. I tried different tools, whatever I had around. I even warmed it up a bit, carefully, because I really didn't want to damage the screen. Still nothing. Then I remembered I had a jig. So I put it in the jig, applied pressure slowly. And finally I saw the adhesive from one edge, like the screen had popped up a tiny bit. So I slid in one of those thin plastic pry tools and finally got it open. Inside I could see water got in. Around the battery connector there was corrosion of trellises vibes. And the flex PCB near the connector looked damaged, like it shorted. Next, I soldered 2 wires to the battery connector. Not to fix it, first I wanted to test. I wanted to check if there's a short somewhere else, and also figure out which pin is ground and which one is positive. So I checked continuity between one pin and the metal body and other points. And that pin connected to almost everything. So I called it, that one is ground. Then I hooked it up to my bench power supply to see if I could bring it back to life. And it did something, but it wasn't behaving like a normal battery because the original connector area was damaged and the battery's smart communication wasn't there. It was the holidays, so I couldn't replace parts right away. So instead of being sad, I decided to have fun. So I broke open an old wireless earbuds case because the earbuds were lost anyway and stole the battery and charger circuit. But here's the catch. There's no proper battery communication. So the Apple Watch thinks the battery is always 1%, even if the voltage is fine. It's like, yes, I'm alive, but emotionally I'm at 1%. And then I made it worse in a good way. I added a laser cross module, like a leveling laser on an Apple Watch. Do I have a use case? No. Did I invent a solution for a problem that doesn't exist? Absolutely. But hey, the watch has sensors, compass, accelerometer, gyro. So maybe someday I'll combine those with the laser and make a tiny smart level. Will I use it often? Probably not. But I love building things like this.